हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल, वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ व्लॉग्स एंड टॉक्स। तो आज मैं बात करूँगी इंटीमेट वॉश लेके। आई गेस इस बात को और ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हम लोग को इंटीमेट वॉश कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इन आर डे टू डे लाइफ। Just like face wash for our skin, for our facial skin, intimate wash for our vaginal area. So it maintains the pH level of that particular area, and it saves us from that itchiness, that bad odor, that wetness and all these things to some extent. So I was using V-Wash for a very long time and I was like okay with the product. बट यूट्यूब में मैं काफ़ी दिन से देख रही थी. यूट्यूबर्स वॉज सो मच ब्रैगिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज़ द नामिया इंटीमेट हाइजीन वॉश. सो आई थॉट ऑफ वाई नॉट गिव इट अ ट्राई. इट रिटेल्स फॉर 349 रुपीज़. आपको मिलता है 100 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड इट हैज़ गॉट अ 36 month शेल्फ लाइफ. सो आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम Amazon. You get it on Purple. I guess it's available on Nykaa and I'm not sure. You get it on Purple. Amazon में available है, Flipkart में है. So that's the thing. It says it's 97% natural, pH balanced, free from glycerin, sulfates, gluten, preservatives, dairy ingredients. It's made by women, cruelty free and vegan, and it claims that it stops itchiness and prevents bad odor. Okay. सो गाइज़, जो लोग इंटीमेट वॉश अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किए हैं तो उन लोग को मैं बता दूँ कि whenever you use an intimate wash, if you have any itchiness in that area, in your vaginal area, वो immediately काफ़ी आपको एक सूदिंग इफेक्ट मिलता है आफ्टर यूजिंग दैट इंटीमेट वॉश. जो वी वॉश यूज़ करके मुझे मिल रहा था. आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई दिस क्योंकि पीपल वर ब्रैगिंग अबाउट दिस, तो वाई नॉट गिव दिस वन अ ट्राई. इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा इसका, तो I thought of trying, and the ingredient list says it contains water, sodium lauryl glucose, fruit extracts, green tea leaf extract, aloe vera extract, cucumber extract, and so on. It doesn't contain any chemical or preservative, but to my utter disappointment, it is a disaster. Guys, I don't know, मैंने इसको कम से कम 10 to 15 times try किया, thinking of a good result. The moment I applied it, it gave me an immense burning sensation. I don't know how come an intimate wash can give you burning sensation, which is supposed to give you a soothing sensation जो itchiness को बंद करेगा, जो bad odor को रोकेगा, but it was giving me an immense burning sensation. To be honest, it did help me with the bad odor to some extent, but once you apply it, it was like it felt like as if, I don't know what is in there. It was burning like anything, so I couldn't use it. I had to stop using it. I tried it 15 times just to make sure कि कहीं मेरी तरफ से तो कोई गलती नहीं हो रहा है. But this thing is disaster. I'm not gonna try this. It's still left. I'm really not gonna try this anymore. It does not do what it claims. So a big no to this product. I mean, how come brands are, I don't know, so many big YouTubers, they are like bragging so much about this product, but this thing is so, I don't know, it didn't work at all for me. You guys let me know in the comment section please that if it worked for you, if you guys are ever trying this, if you want to guys want to take that risk. मैं तो इसको और नहीं खरीदने वाली. I'm simply gonna throw this away after trying it 15 times. But the packaging is quite sturdy. It comes in this kind of a cardboard box, this thing with the company logo and everything. It looks nice. It has got good packaging. This is the thing. Once I open this, it's like this. अच्छा होता अगर इसमें एक पंप वाला बॉटल होता. It doesn't open properly, as you guys can see. बंद करने में और खोलने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है इसको. It is so tight, my goodness. Oh, so tight. It is something like this. I'll simply pour some on my hand, and so this is what it looks like. This is what is the consistency of the product. I don't know what am I gonna do with this. This is what it looks like. जितना सुंदर है ये देखने में, उतना ही खतरनाक वाला burning sensation it gives. So a big no to this. It's the packaging is quite travel friendly. It's so tight. See, I cannot even, impossible. मैं उसको ऐसे बंद कर रही हूँ, and this is the thing. it did not give me that perfect thing. It is not on like it's not like very cheap कि बहुत कम लगा है इसका. It's 349 rupees 100 ml का. So at least when I'm buying the product with my hard-earned money, I want results, that's why I'm buying it. But when it gives you so much burning sensation, it doesn't. The packaging is fine, everything is fine, but it doesn't do what it claims. So guys, my take on this Namia intimate hygiene wash, a big no. Please, brands, do consider ye why you people are launching such products which doesn't do what it claims. I mean, what is the use? It has got, I really got so much I was like very much, I was very much impressed with the ingredient. It says it is designed with the goodness of Ayurvedic herbs like tree oil, rosemary, neem, aloe vera and other. It maintains the pH balance, free from paraben, SLS, keeps you fresh and fragrant. But what is the use when it gives you an immense, when I say an immense, I mean it, an immense burning sensation. Oh my goodness, there are better options in the market. उसमें पैसा दे अपना, इसमें 350 रुपया is like a big waste. 349 rupees, a big waste on this product. Doesn't do what it claims. So a big no to Namia. So if you really like my efforts and if you really like the video a bit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button right beside the subscribe button, so whenever I post a new video you get notified. Until next time, I love you all. Mwah.